This T-fal Performa Stainless Steel 12-piece cookware set is designed for home cooks who want the durability and performance of stainless steel without the frustration that often comes with it. And it delivers by thoughtfully addressing the most common pain points associated with traditional stainless cookware. Crafted from premium 18 by 10 stainless steel and engineered for compatibility with all cooktops including induction, this cookware set is positioned as a long-term kitchen investment rather than a short-term upgrade. From everyday stovetop cooking to oven and broiler use at high temperatures, the Performa line focuses on control, consistency, and ease of maintenance, making it appealing to both aspiring home chefs and practical everyday cooks. One of the most distinctive features of the T-fal Performa cookware is the Techno Release raised interior pattern, which is specifically designed to improve food release and simplify cleanup. Stainless steel cookware is often criticized for sticking issues, especially when cooking proteins or delicate foods, but this raised pattern creates subtle separation between food and the pan surface. As a result, ingredients are less likely to bond aggressively to the steel, allowing for easier turning, better browning, and more predictable cooking outcomes. This feature alone significantly lowers the learning curve associated with stainless steel cooking. Heat distribution and responsiveness are critical factors in cookware performance, and the Performa set performs reliably in this area. The stainless steel induction-compatible base ensures even heat spread across the cooking surface, reducing hot spots that can lead to uneven browning or scorching. This consistency is especially noticeable when preparing sauces, sautéing vegetables, or searing meats where precise temperature control matters. The ability to transition smoothly from stovetop to oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit expands cooking possibilities and supports techniques such as finishing dishes in the oven or slow roasting. The included pieces in this 12-piece cookware set are thoughtfully selected to cover a wide range of cooking needs without unnecessary extras. The combination of fry pans, saucepans, and a large Dutch oven supports everything from quick breakfasts to multi-course family meals. The inclusion of measuring spoons adds practical value for cooks who appreciate having essential tools integrated into a single purchase. This well-rounded selection makes the set suitable for new kitchens as well as experienced cooks looking to standardize their cookware. Ease of use is further enhanced by the riveted stainless steel handles, which are ergonomically shaped to provide a secure and comfortable grip. These handles remain stable during cooking and offer confidence when lifting or transferring pans, even when they are fully loaded. The vented glass lids allow cooks to monitor food without lifting the lid, helping retain heat and moisture while preventing boilovers. This level of visibility improves control and reduces the need for constant adjustments during cooking. Maintenance and longevity are areas where the T-fal Performa set truly shines. Stainless steel is valued for its resistance to warping, staining, and corrosion, and the Performa cookware maintains its appearance with minimal effort. The Techno Release interior helps prevent stubborn residue, making cleanup easier whether washing by hand or using a dishwasher. Over time, this durability translates into consistent performance and reduced replacement costs, reinforcing the value of the set as a long-term investment. From a health and safety perspective, stainless steel cookware is often preferred because it does not rely on chemical coatings. The Performa set aligns with this preference by offering a cooking surface that is naturally non-reactive and suitable for a wide variety of ingredients. This makes it an excellent choice for cooks who want confidence in the materials they use daily without sacrificing performance. The overall cooking experience with the T-fal Performa cookware feels refined and intentional. Instead of forcing users to adapt to the cookware, the design supports better results through thoughtful engineering. Whether preparing simple meals or experimenting with more advanced techniques, the cookware responds predictably and rewards proper heat management with excellent results. Pros: the T-fal Performa Stainless Steel Cookware Set offers durable 18 by 10 stainless steel construction with induction compatibility and oven safety up to high temperatures. The Techno Release interior improves food release and simplifies cleanup, addressing common stainless steel frustrations. Even heat distribution, dishwasher-safe design, ergonomic handles, and a practical set composition make it versatile and reliable for daily cooking. Cons: stainless steel cookware requires some technique to maximize nonstick performance, which may take adjustment for beginners. The polished steel surface may show water spots or fingerprints, requiring occasional polishing to maintain a pristine appearance. Final verdict. The T-fal Performa Stainless Steel 12-piece cookware set is an excellent choice for cooks who want the strength, versatility, and longevity of stainless steel combined with thoughtful features that make cooking easier. It delivers consistent results, adapts to all cooktops, and supports a wide range of cooking styles with confidence. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the T-fal Performa set is right for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.